Alright, Windows Update did not go smoothly. Kind of ruined my machine. Had a blue screen of death. It was a whole adventure yesterday, but at the end of it all, did get it working. Took some notes on which update actually worked, which was this page here, which I will have for record. This one actually worked. Using the built-in updater did not work and caused my computer to brick. So next time I have to do an update, I'm coming to this site, and hopefully it will have a more helpful way. So, okay, we've got Nanite working, so now the displacement's working. I have the this little view here. So that's nice, that's working like it's supposed to. I didn't mention it on my last one, so I'll mention it here. The setup to get it working right now on version 5.3 is you have to come in here and add these 3 lines. Is it just these 2? I forget. I have it in the description of the first one, so I'll add it in the, see, probably just these bottom 2, actually. Yeah, so that enables it. You have to restart, and then it'll show up as long as you have DirectX 12, which is another requirement. So this looks kind of terrible, and it also creates some like holes. I could probably turn off the post-process volume, which will help a little bit. But I'm gonna have to change the outlines. I don't like how the outlines are working anymore. I mean, really, I just went through a tutorial, and you know, it did its thing to learn how to work with post-process materials. So I'll probably lower the displacement. Yeah, see, it's tripping out, like it's creating gaps, and so yeah, we'll have to put a lot more effort into this. Like it's not just slapping it on, and which didn't expect it to work just nicely out of the box with this mesh. This mesh really wasn't designed well for that, but I was curious to just see like what would happen with Nanite stuff, so I wanted to mess around and get a feel for it, because it's pretty cool. Like there's a lot of potential here. I just need to fix the mesh, which we can do. So I probably need to come back to this after working on the colors. So I need to work on the tune colors first, and then come back and then mess with Nanite, getting the different like layering and stuff, and seeing how that interacts with outlines. And so it's going to be a whole thing. So this was a quick material to just test out Nanite, and I followed a tutorial somewhere too, which I'll link. So this was pretty straightforward and easy, using the little Quixel bridge to just like grab a texture. This thing is amazing. I cannot believe this exists. With Unity, I would have to go find these myself or pay for them. So this is great. We'll be able to do a lot more with Steel Pinion here, because we had planned to, we have different hull types already, and so I was actually making these textures in Houdini to get the ship's different attributes set up, like for if you have a wooden ship or a stone ship or different types of wood. But now, like, I could probably just use the textures in here. That'll save a lot of time. Oh yeah, there was different kinds of metal, like steel armor, iron armor. So now we can kind of just use these, but it is going to take, it's not just going to be copy and paste. It's going to take some intelligent modeling here to make this work, because yeah, like the edges are broken. So it could just be like bad UVs. Not really sure. We haven't had to worry about this kind of detail before, so these may have always been issues. And like right now, for example, this isn't one entire object, and maybe it just needs to be split up, and that'll help fix the UVs, and we can get a better UV map, because this is, yeah, this isn't super high fidelity. We can raise the quality up. So anyways, still gonna have to keep going and learning more. I'm gonna pivot to probably the shader or the menus. I haven't decided yet. It might be smarter to work on menus to try and get an actual build of the game going, and then so I can get this over to the rest of the team, and we can start iterating on the game. I can stop messing around. Anyways, that's it. Reaching 5 minutes here.